this video, we would be knowing about how to choose the project and how to convert project into paper, that is preparing an research article, who are all the publishers available, and how to upload a research article into a journal. The main objective of the project is to enhance the design thinking, critical thinking, and problem solving ability. The project phase is an important phase in 4 year or 2 years degree program. It covers all the 12 program outcomes. So you know very well about the 12 program outcomes, that is the basic engineering knowledge, analysis about the problem statement, investigating that problem statement, design of the problem statement, and then modern tool usage, and then how it is helpful for the engineering and society, environmental and sustainability, teamwork, how that is how to that is by teamwork how we are doing that project, and then ethics, whether you are following the ethics, and then communication skills, management skills, and lifelong learning. So through the project phase, all the program outcomes have been covered. So that the project phase is an important phase in your degree program. And what are the skills, what are the knowledge you acquired so far, you are going to implement in your project phase, and what is the outcome of that project phase. So what are the project you are doing that should be helpful or useful for the society. The society is referred as, it should be an industry or a common man. So what are the project you are doing that should be helpful for the society. The next outcome of the project is, you are doing some project, it should be validated. How it should be validated? So your project should be validated by, it should be published in the research journal, or it should be patented, or it should be presented in any of the international conferences. So these are the main outcome of your project. So what are the project domains available? That is for circuit branches and for non-circuit branches. So these are some trust areas for doing the project. For an example, for circuit branches, communication engineering, embedded system, robotics and automation, Internet of Things, signal and image processing, VLSI design, wireless sensor networks. So these are the broad area of research. So in that broad area of research, you can find the problem statement in these broad area of research. So this is for electronics and communication engineering students, and for computer science and allied courses, that is web development, application development, game development, code programming, networking, database management, quantum computing, artificial intelligence. So these are some broad area of research for computer science and allied courses. And some other topics includes e-commerce, and then a school and college management system, and for medical management system, registration websites, social networking, transaction management. That is a bank nowadays. The most of the software defined, the software related jobs are mostly in the banking sectors. That is a transaction management, voice recognition, human automation using IoT, design and implementation of online voting, and then stock prediction. That is all the prediction analysis can be done by using the artificial intelligence, and then data science. The artificial intelligence and data science plays a major role in all the predictions in online marketing, and then online shopping. This AI ideas plays a major role. You can choose the project related to database, that is data science, in AI, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. And the projects related to electrical and electronics engineering students, You can find the research article or a problem statement in microgrid. Electrical vehicles nowadays, electrical vehicles plays a major role. That is an hot topic. Electrical vehicles. In electrical vehicles, fuel cells are more related to the e-vehicles. Advances support for forecasting renewable energy sources, that is a wind turbine anomaly detection, and then solar cells, and then monitoring the quality of power, computing cognitive aspects of Internet of Things. So these are some broad area of research. So in that broad area of research, you can choose the problem statement in that broad areas. And then for automobile, for mechanical allied courses, that is mechanical engineering, automobile, robotics and automation, mechatronics. For these branches, again electrical vehicles, and then nano engineering, biomechatronics, manufacturing, automation and robotics, AI enabled surgery robots, agriculture field. In agriculture field, mechanical so it plays a major role in agriculture. Nowadays everything is automated. Optimization of surgical robots and optimizations. And then in mechanical engineering, design and analysis of mechanical component, and then manufacturing, and in production, how should be the production process from start to the from production to the thermal heat analysis, design manufacturing, and then power generation, finite element modeling, computational fluid dynamics, and then some of the research article related to the composite materials, checking the how that is the heat analysis, thermal analysis, and then improving the efficiency of heat exchangers and a refrigerator using nanofluids, and then improving the efficiency of IC engines by using the biofuels or use of hydrogen supplement. Nowadays, everyone is thinking about the why can't we use the hydrogen as a fuel. So in that domain also, you can choose your project how to use the hydrogen as a supplement. A design and fabricate of rovers, and then legged robots for aerospace and aeronautic for defense industry, and then robotic arm for industry for picking and placing, and then material handling robots, and then recycling of water in washing machine. These are so many like this. So many research areas are available to do your final year projects. So, what are the some project examples of the project titles? Nowadays, everything is automated. That is telemetry, biotelemetry. In medical fields, you can find n number of applications in medical fields, in biosignals, in medical image processing, and then testing for optimization. That is data science, cloud computing, and then business management system, and then and also in online marketing. So based on the search engine, we can predict whether we can purchase or not. So you can do the predictive analysis. So these are the some projects. These are some projects related. You can check, that is agriculture field. You can check for the plant growth, or whether the plant leaves are healthy or unhealthy. And then from the biosignals you can you can analyze the patients. You can control the unhealthy patients, that is by moving the hands, moving the hands, and then you can able to make them to walk by using the EEG signals. So these are some hot topics nowadays. It is going on in bio inspired systems. And then VLSI design. In VLSI design, DFT, physical layer design, and the design for testing. So these are some odd topics in VLSI design. And then facial recognition. Based on the voice signal, you can have the security. So these are some topics related. And IoT projects. Nowadays, IoT also the hot topics. That is, everything is automated. That is home automation, controlling of all electrical and electronic appliances by using an simple internet. You can control all the automation, smart appliances, and then wearables. That is the battery-powered smartphones, peripherals, and then connecting with the Bluetooth speakers, and then power the smartphones. So everything, wherever smartness, you can apply the embedded systems. So these are some trust areas. And then some project titles again, that is the electrical wheelchair controlled through voice for unhealthy or physically challenged persons. You can uh, you can operate the electrical vehicle over voice control, and then IoT based smart garbage system, and then wireless digital fuel indicator for cars. And nowadays you can find n number of applications in autonomous car based on the front and the river viewing. The car can be autonomously driven from one place to another based on the scenarios. And then smart harvesting using the Raspberry Pi based on the Internet of Things. These are some hot topics. These are the generalized topics for all the departments. And then nowadays everything is an artificial intelligence and machine learning process. So for these type of projects, so what we must know, that is you must know about the convolutional neural network, and then supervised learning network and the unsupervised learning network, um, SVM, CNN, um, and then DNN, RNN. So these all, and then well-trained networks are available as an open source. You can make use of this network for your systems. Okay. So I know, I know the topic. So I want to know what should be the current um, what should be the current research is going on my project. So how can I know? So there are A graded publishers as available. There is Elsevier, IEEE, Springer, Wiley, Taylor and Francis, Hindavi, AIP, IOP, science publishers, Wiley. So like this, so many publishers are there to publish the research article. Okay, so you have the problem statement. For your problem statement, like you, so many of the researcher have working on it. Okay, first you just go to that publisher's website, choose your area of interest, and type your current research in that topic. Get 10 to 15 research papers in that trusted area or from your area. So after downloading, after getting that 10 to 15 research papers, read all the abstracts. Read all the abstracts of all the papers. So from that each papers, so find the identify the what are the methods used and what are the software used in that out of in that 15 papers. Out of 15 papers, select 3 to 5 papers. Again, read again and again, extract, try to understand what they have done in that papers. From that 3 to 5 papers, select one paper as your project title.